Hello, good day. Can you introduce yourself briefly?
Hi, Mom and Sir. I'm Josephine Morato Elisa. I'm 40 years old, married, have three children. My eldest is 19 years old, the second is 17, and my youngest is 15 years old. My religion is a Roman Catholic. I'm high school graduate. I have seven brothers. I'm eldest in the family.
Have you worked as a domestic helper before?
Yes, Mom.
Tell me, where did you work before?
I was working in Saudi Arabia before from September 7, 2013 to January 30, 2015.
What are your major duties in your previous employer?
My major duties are cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes.
What kind of food do you usually cook?
I was cook Arabic food like kabsa and sambusa.
If you don't have an experience in cooking Chinese food, how will you improve it?
I will improve my cooking skills by reading Chinese cooking books.
What are your preferred duties in your next employer?
I preferred babysitting and taking care of children.
Are you willing to share work with other helpers?
Yes, Mom, I'm willing to share.
Are you willing to take your holiday set by your employer?
Yes, Mom, I'm willing to sit to take my holiday to sit by my employer.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong as long as my employer wants me to stay.
Before you sleep at night, what will you do first?
I will make sure my work is finished. Then I check the door and the window. I turn off the light and I also turn off the water faucet and the electrical appliances.
What do you want to tell to your prospective employer?
Hi, Mom and Sir. If you choose me, I promise to be honest, loyal, hardworking, and I promise to follow your rules, and I promise to finish my contract. Thank you. Bye.